Good morning. This easy and simple yoga stretch will gently awaken your body and mind, setting a calm tone for your day ahead. You ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to yoga. Let's begin in a seated position on our mats in hero, sitting on your knees and heels. And take a big breath in and out. And feel your whole body soften. And I challenge you to embrace the soft, to celebrate the warmth, the gentle, the fluid, to trust your intuition and your feelings on and off your mat. So when possible, let your body be soft, let your breath be soft, and just go with the flow. From here, reach your hands up by your side so your fingertips touch the ground. Then reach your left arm overhead to stretch out your whole left side body. And from this position, just bend your left elbow and use your left hand to grab onto the side of your head. Keep your hand here and come back to center, and then pull on the side of your head with your left arm for a gentle stretch through your neck and shoulders. And gentle release. Replace your left hand down by your side and reach your right arm overhead for a gentle stretch in your right side body. Then bend your right elbow. Use your right hand to grab onto the side of your head, come back to center and gently pull for a stretch between your neck and shoulder. And release. Make your way to a tabletop on your hands and knees for some big hip circles. So drop your hips to the left and then forward towards the front of your mat, and to the right, then towards the back of your mat, and keep going in a clockwise direction, inhaling as your hips come forward, exhaling as your hips move back. And switch direction. Remember, this is less about the structure, about the perfection, more about the grace, the practice, the flow. So just let it feel good. Next time you come forward to the front of your mat, make your way to downward facing dog. As your body softens with each breath. Slowly tiptoe to the front of your mat. For a deep forward fold with your feet about hip distance. Generous bend in your knees. Let your head hang heavy. And notice how your breath feels in your back, shoulders, neck, and hips. Slowly unroll all the way up to standing. And when you come all the way up, meet me in standing with your hands together at heart center. Eyes closed. Press your weight down evenly through both feet and stand tall through the crown of your head. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for that quick 5-minute morning yoga stretch. I hope you have a calm and relaxing day ahead. And if you want to continue stretching tonight with a nice deep hip opening, relaxing yoga stretch, then I'd love for you to grab my free 25-minute hip slow stretch. Just click the link in the description below or scan this QR code. Have a great day.